how to remove TikTok strike. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you remove TikTok strike from your account. So let's get started. First, you have to open TikTok application with your account. After you open TikTok, at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. From here, at the top right, tap on three lines. From here, tap on settings and privacy. And from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option report a problem. From the section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option chat with us. From the section TikTok support, you'll have to go the option account. And from the section, you'll have to come on the section send message section, and from the section, you'll have to briefly explain your problem like you have gotten a strike on your TikTok account and you want to remove that. For that, you'll have to explain your problem like this, and you can also add some screenshot over here by tapping on the option arrow icon. From the section, you can easily add video, post or any photos from here, and after you provide all of the details explaining your problem on your TikTok strike, you'll have to just send that report to TikTok support team, and after you send it, TikTok support team will surely review your problem, and from there they will sure provide you some guidelines or procedure to remove that strike from your TikTok account. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.